guys, welcome to Run Deals. So here I have a cheese board with cutlery set. This is a round board with 3-piece cutlery, slip resistant tabs. It does have serving compartments to it. It's easy to clean. It's water and odor resistant. It does have a 1-year warranty and it's 100% natural bamboo. So let's take a look. Here you can see a picture of the knives and the board. So let's open the box and look at it. So here's what it looks like right out of the box. It has plastic on it. It has how to care for your board and a little congratulations QR code that you can scan. And it talks about how to oil your board and keep it nice. Let's take the plastic off and look at the knives that come with it. So here's a pull-out tray underneath the board where the knives are. So it's easy to store, easy to clean, easy to take care of, and easy to transport. It also has slip-resistant feet on it, so it will not slide around the table when you're using it. Make sure you check out Run Deals for discounts on products like this and more.